This tutorial is part 1 of a 4-part series that covers designing and using cost structures in your agreements. In this tutorial, I'll provide some background on why world-class sourcing teams widely implement cost breakdown practices in their sourcing processes. Then I'll introduce Mercenta's cost structures as a powerful modeling tool which allows the parties to encode the method of calculating product prices in agreements, far superior to legacy approaches which rely on spreadsheets and bills of material. World-class sourcing teams break down the costs of the parts they buy as a way to understand cost drivers, improve effectiveness of negotiations, focus engineering efforts, manage risk from uncontrollable costs, and most fundamentally, to find out if prices are reasonable. You may have known this technique under different names, such as cost driver management, material price formulas, cost breakdown analysis, and should cost. In the past, we had to rely on spreadsheets, but scaling them across multiple commodities, thousands of parts and hundreds of suppliers became unwieldy and error-prone. Incorporating cost breakdown methodology into agreements and ensuring suppliers comply with the agreed-upon methods of calculating prices has always been almost impossible at scale, up to now. We believe we have solved these problems at Mercenta. We allow you to build models of your purchased components and then use these structures as a template to calculate the prices of the products under the agreement. You may think of cost structures as being similar in concept to bills of material or routings used by your organization's engineering, operations, and finance teams. While it's true that they share many similarities and could be thought of as a combination of both, a better analogy is that they are a kind of costing template. They are composed of a hierarchical arrangement of cost items which are its fundamental building block. These blocks can be arranged horizontally or vertically to model almost any type of commodity. Every agreement needs a cost structure, but you don't need to start with a complicated model. In fact, we recommend that you start simple, perhaps even just stating the agreed-upon price, then later add more complexity as the relationship between the parties grow. When the buyer adds a product to the agreement, Mercenta automatically implements the agreement's cost structure in that product. This is an incredibly useful feature for sourcing because it solves one of our biggest headaches, ensuring that suppliers are calculating prices based on the agreed-upon method. You can design the cost structure to be as rigid or flexible as you wish to allow each product to be tailored to match its unique specification through a process called product configuration. That's all for now. If you want to learn more, we have tutorials on designing cost structures and product configuration also on this channel. Goodbye.